Kids, I have a new Nerf gun. Let's shoot the wall and try if it works. Stand back. Ooh, there's the bullet. So every day we're going to be looking for a hidden bullet. Yeah, hidden bullet. And the hidden bullet's color is going to be always blue and orange. So you can never find anything else. But there's one video that the bullet is not orange and blue. It's red and orange this time. So yeah, what you do, before I tell you the instructions, I'll show you how to work this thing. And if you want to shoot it, just pull this thing at the bottom and shoot. Woo! Let me just get the bullet for a second. I got it. Let's target the plant sleeves. If I do this, hit the like button. There you go, hit the like button. And if you want to shoot it short, just do this. Ooh. Sorry, I just hit the cameraman in the face. And the bullet got lost. There it is. See it? Yeah, let's go outside and shoot. But before, I gotta tell you the instructions. Do not aim up for the face or at the eye, of course, because they're the most important organs in the body, I think. Organs. Yeah. Let's go outside now. Woo! Kids, let's go outside and shoot. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's shoot. There we go. We shot it at the door. There's a plant. There's a cat. Shoot this. No, shoot that plant. I shoot the dirt. I shot the dirt, not shoot. Try again. Let's shoot that plant. Oops. We shoot the stone. Let's shoot this plant near the cat. Oops, I hit the cat. Sorry, Mr. Cat. Didn't mean to hit you. Now he's over there, climbing at the wall. There we go. I hit it. Let's go back inside. Kids, that's going to be all for this video. And did you find the hidden bullet? I think I used this bullet. Yeah, we hit it pretty well, sort of. So, good dart! Also, don't forget to smash the like button. Of course, you need to smash it to subscribe to my channel. Bye! Good dart day.